The middleweight naked motorcycle class has transformed into the ultimate battlefield for motorcycle manufacturers. Gone are the days when a mid-sized machine was viewed merely as a budget-conscious compromise for riders stepping up from a starter bike. Today's landscape demands cutting-edge tech, razor-sharp handling, and enough character to keep experienced sport riders coming back for more. In this highly competitive environment, Aprilia has shaken up the status quo by dropping the standard model altogether, making the high-spec 2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 factory the sole torchbearer for the midsize family. At $11,599, it stands as a premium, uncompromising option that effectively bridges the gap between everyday usability and exotic track day supremacy. The evolution of the factory formula. Aprilia's factory badge has always signified something special, a designation reserved for machines dripping with premium components plucked straight from the racing department. For 2026, the Tuono 660 factory pushes that legacy forward with striking shaked-on-yellow graphics, contrasting sharply with its dark, menacing bodywork and its twin-spar aluminum frame, which is now finished in a stealthy matte black. The aesthetic is unmistakably Italian, aggressive, compact, and lean. By utilizing a lightweight lithium-ion battery and stripping away unnecessary bulk, Aprilia has managed to keep the bike's wet weight at a featherlight 399 pounds with its 4-gallon fuel tank completely topped off. This obsession with mass centralization gives the bike an almost gravity-defying presence when lifting it off the side stand, promising immense agility before the engine even fires to life. Heart of a racer, the high-revving twin. At the core of this Italian street fighter is a 659cc liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine utilizing a 270-degree crankshaft. This configuration gives the mill the offset firing order and deep, syncopated rumble of a V-twin, mirroring the mechanical soul of Aprilia's legendary V4 superbikes. To achieve the coveted factory performance metrics, engineers swapped the standard 48mm throttle bodies for massive 52mm units and optimized the exhaust header configuration. The result of this mechanical breathing treatment is an impressive 105 horsepower screaming at 10,400 RPM and 52 lb-ft of torque peaking at 8,400 RPM. On the tarmac, this engine reveals a fascinating split personality. Below 7,000 RPM, the Tuono is remarkably smooth, docile, and predictable, perfect for navigating tight city traffic or stringing together an effortless morning commute. However, once you cross into the top half of the tachometer, the motor sheds its civility. It rushes toward its red line with the ferocity of a pure race bike, delivering a visceral top-end pull accompanied by an intoxicating intake roar that echoes through your helmet. Superbike brains in a scaled-down frame. Managing 105 high-revving horsepower in a sub-400-pound package requires digital sophistication, and Aprilia hasn't held back. The 2026 factory receives the complete, unadulterated Aprilia Performance Ride Control, a PRC electronics package, governed by an advanced 6-axis inertial measurement unit, EMU. This system constantly monitors the motorcycle's pitch, roll, and yaw to provide predictive safety interventions that make the rider feel like a professional racer. Through a crisp, high-contrast 5-inch color TFT dashboard, riders can dive into an extensive menu of adjustable parameters, including Aprilia Traction Control, ATC, multi-level, corner-sensitive rear wheel intervention. Aprilia Wheelie Control, AWC, system that manages front-wheel lift independently of traction control. Aprilia Engine Brake, AEB, adjustable deceleration force to stabilize the rear end on entry. Aprilia Launch Control, ALC, newly standard for optimal computer-assisted drag starts. The electronic package is anchored by a bidirectional quickshifter, AQS. When pushing hard through winding canyons or down a racetrack straightaway, the gearbox behaves with rifle bolt precision. Hard, positive clicks at the shift lever reward the rider with instantaneous, clutchless gear changes. Crucially, the downshift auto-blipper rev matches with flawless stability, allowing you to click down multiple gears under heavy braking without upsetting the chassis or locking up the rear tire. The pure geometry of handling. While raw horsepower creates headlines, it is the chassis and suspension that make the Tuono 660 factory an absolute weapon in the twisties. For 2026, Aprilia has fully leaned into its sporting pedigree by equipping the bike with premium Erhlen suspension components. Up front sits a 40-thream fully adjustable upside-down Nix 30 fork, paired with a matching, fully adjustable SDX 46 monoshock at the rear. Combined with an aggressive 24.1 degrees of rake and a compact 53.9-inch wheelbase, the Tuono boasts the sharpest steering geometry in the middleweight naked category. Throwing the bike into a corner requires little more than a gentle nudge on the low, flat-bend handlebars. It tips in with telepathic speed, yet once leaned over, the Erhlen's hardware keeps the chassis incredibly poised. The motorcycle resists diving under hard braking and stays perfectly neutral, giving the rider an abundance of front-end feedback to squeeze the maximum amount of grip out of the premium Pirelli Diablo Rosso IV tires. Stopping power matches the elite handling. Dual 4-piston, radial mount Brembo calipers grip substantial 320 floating discs, fed via braided stainless steel lines. The initial bite is assertive and clear, providing immense stopping force with a progressive feel at the lever that stays consistent even under repeated thermal abuse at the track. Street-smart ergonomics. Despite its obvious track-focused underpinnings, Aprilia has carefully preserved the street fighter usability that defines the Tuono line. Unlike its fully fared sibling, the RS 660, the Tuono features a wide handlebar that sits the rider in a more commanding, upright position. The foot pegs are placed relatively high to maximize cornering clearance, resulting in a cockpit that feels purposeful and snug without being punishing on longer rides. Furthermore, the Tuono sets itself apart from standard naked bikes by retaining its signature frame-mounted front quarter fairing and integrated radiator shrouds. At highway velocities, this clever aerodynamic package channels turbulent air completely around the rider's torso, dramatically cutting down on wind fatigue during extended highway stints. The ultimate middleweight verdict. The 2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 factory is a masterclass in balance. By walking away from the budget market to focus purely on the premium factory spec, Aprilia has created a motorcycle that refuses to compromise. It blends the featherweight agility and approachability of a middleweight with the high-end suspension, elite braking components, and predictive electronic safety nets typically reserved for flagship liter bikes. For the discerning rider who values chassis precision, engineering pedigree, and pure, engaging performance over raw, unmanageable horsepower, this exotic Italian street fighter stands in a class of its own.